back to our channel, and for those of you that are new, thank you so much for stopping by. Now that Christmas is over, I want to start putting away the Christmas decor and start resetting and reorganizing and decluttering my home. And today I wanted to start off with my bedroom. Over the past couple of days, I have stuff that's been put in here that should not be in the bedroom, so I want to remove those items. I also want to put fresh, clean bedding on my bed, and I also want to switch the room around. So the whole plan is to have this room refreshed, organized, and simple, so that way it feels more relaxed in here. So if you want to see how I do all of that, then just keep on watching. Guys, before we begin this video, make sure that you give this video a like, also subscribe, and hit that notification bell so that way you don't miss out on any of my videos. Now let's jump right into it. To begin, I have my cup of coffee that's gonna help me just power through all of this. No, I'm just kidding. It's just giving me cozy vibes right now. It snowed last night a lot, and I have on currently some loungewear. So I have like a long sweater, some sweatpants, fuzzy socks, and a gray thermal. So definitely cozy vibes. I will show you guys what my full outfit looks like a little bit later in this video. So yeah, I'm totally feeling like the vibe of everything, so I cannot wait to get this room totally refreshed. But I wanted to share with you guys real quick a really cute cup that I got from TJ Maxx. It's gonna be really hard parting ways and putting it away for the season, but I really hope that for Valentine's Day that the bear aesthetic is still around.
I feel tears welling up behind my eyes. Far from home, every thought brings me down. Sun still shines, dry my eyes, take a breath. Wash my face, pale and thin, start again. But I think I need somebody to love me, to love me, to love me the way only you do. I wanna go higher, but I'm going deeper. Lord, can you hear my prayer? Tell me, are you there? Who's gonna love me the right way? You're the only one that knows my heart. It's understandable, it's irreplaceable love. Now I'm head underwater, just trying to reach for the sun. It's
really hope that this reset video reminds you that we don't need to do everything at once. Just one space, it can change how your home feels. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.